Hello YouTube, I'm making a video on how I'm curing my dog. I'm doing it in the process, that way you can see that it's working. From skin cancer. I guess he's about 11, 12 in that area, 10, 11, because I found him. I've had him about 6, 7 years. His name is Sheldon. And he had a first bout of skin cancer. It took him probably about 1.5 years ago to a vet, 1.25 years, 1.5 years. The vet said he only had 6 months to live, more or less, 6 or 7 or 8, I guess. He's already passed that by a double. And the first, he has these boils. He's basically an albino dog, because not only does he have pink skin and he's white, he has pink eyes, pink tongue, and pink mouth. The only thing he doesn't have pink is his nose, but I think it's gotten dirty. What I'm doing this video just so people can see that there's not a death sentence to dogs, and you can extend their life. I don't know how long. He was lately, well, with this last bout, he had the boil got really big. I started putting manuka on it and hydrogen peroxide and all these other things. That just more or less, I guess, cleans it up a little, but it doesn't really. I thought it did it last time, but the thing was that I've been giving him so many things. K1 for the bleeding, it helped to some degree. I've been giving him beta glucan constantly, but I don't think that one really did a whole lot. The thing that I think really might have worked was the Noni, and I give him three capsules, and and I guess in the morning, and then 3 in the afternoon. I mix it in there with his dry, and that way just a little dry, and he just eats it up. So dogs that have no problem eating, they're finicky, then it's hard to do it, or cats for that matter. But I was also giving them well, organic broccoli, but sometimes they run out of organic broccoli. I was giving them carrots too, mixing a little bit of corn for taste, just a little bit, sweeten it up. So I give them broccoli. It doesn't really have to be organic, but non-GMO is definitely preferable to the regular non-GMO. I mean the GMO stuff. So let me show you. I did cure him the first bout, and I didn't know what attributed to that, but I did give him some Noni, and it was only 2 ounces, I think. This is 8 ounces. So it's either the broccoli or the Noni. Can't really tell because I bought at the same time, and that's when it started turning pink again. His black, it was really basically dark red, like a dark red abscess or a lesion or skin lesion or tumor, whatever you want to call it. But let me show you how the color's coming back. I have to keep him from messing with it, so he doesn't open it up, but it's already healing quite a bit, in fact. So this is for other dogs that might have this problem. And there you go. It was all that red, dark red color, and it was bleeding. He had a really bad bleed out, which was outside and indoors, and basically he was going to bleed out to death because without me intervening. Let me show you how it looks. It's getting its pink back. That's how I know, because the first time I healed it basically turned pink, and that's the first sign. When it turns back to the skin color, their regular skin color. So if you want to try out all that regimen, I also gave him collagen for his joints. Basically nothing else, just switched him over to I was giving him non-GMO dry with canned. Now I'm giving him chicken breast with vegetables, and I also give him B12, an organic form of B12 by my kind. So he gets this too. And I give him a little liver, but you only give him a little liver because cancer does use iron to proliferate more. So once in a while you can give him a little liver. But my best bet is it's either Noni or the. I give him about. He's about I don't know, 50-pound dog. He was overweight there for a little while, like 58 pounds, 57. I got him a little, restriction there, but I put him on that diet so he could lose a little weight because he had messed up his what is it? Yes, dogs can mess up their CLS, whatever it is, that joint where you mess it up and you have to have surgery. And I fixed it with collagen. It doesn't pop anymore. It was popping. Anyways, broccoli I give him about